If your mechanical clock chimes are out of sync, your first thought may be your clock is broken. Don't worry though, it may be a simple fix. In this video, we will walk you through the process of adjusting the hands to get your clock chiming at the correct times. If your clock is off by a count of minutes, remove the minute hand. The hand bushing needs to come off first, then take the minute hand off the center shaft. Get a pair of pliers or channel locks. Using your tool of choice, grab the bushing on the back of the minute hand. If the hand was pointing before the quarter hour, twist the bushing clockwise. If the hand was pointing after the quarter hour, twist the bushing counterclockwise. This is a trial and error process, so move the bushing in small increments. If your clock is off by a count of hours, you will need to align the hour hand. For example, if your hour hand is pointing at 9, but it chimes 5 times, you will need to rotate the hour hand to 5. This is a friction fit, so you do not need to remove the hour hand from the center shaft. It is important to note that when you make changes to the hands and reset the clock, it can take up to an hour for the chimes to resync to the proper quarter hour marks. Allow the clock to run for at least an hour before making further adjustments. You can also manually advance the minute hand to each quarter hour, allowing the clock to chime at each quarter. If your clock is very badly out of sync, you may not hear the chimes for 3 of the quarters. In some cases, you may need to advance the hands twice around the clock to align with the proper quarter hour. Now your clock is chiming in correct turn. If you have any questions, feel free to leave us a comment down below.